Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to block and unblock someone on WhatsApp step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go into the chat of the person you want to block. At the top of the chat, tap their name to open their profile. Scroll down and you'll see the option Block Contact. Tap it, then confirm by selecting Block again. Once blocked, that person will no longer be able to call you, message you, or see your updates. Now, if you ever change your mind and want to unblock them, just go back to their profile. This time, you'll see the option Unblock Contact. Tap it and confirm by selecting Unblock. The chat will return to normal, and they'll be able to reach you again. You can also manage blocked contacts by going into Settings, then Privacy, and opening the Blocked Contacts list. From there, you can unblock anyone quickly. And that's how easy it is to block and unblock someone on WhatsApp. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.